All right, the next video of the Ape Hanger series on my 2007 Nightrod Special Turbo with 16-inch Ape Hangers will be the Magnum Sheilding custom clutch line. I believe I ordered like a 81-inch, but they actually sent me a 78-inch, but I over-projected with mocking up my 14-inch apes. And this is what I got. With a V-Rod, they have like a nub and then a backing surface, which is inside here, and the 78-inch was able to tuck along the stock unit all the way up to where it connects in over here. It was perfect length. I got a little bit of slack in there. Have not had any turning issues at all. I believe I spent like 140 bucks on the clutch line, but it was very necessary because like nobody offers this hydraulic clutch line and that length. I think the highest length I found was like 72 inches generically on like eBay, and 72 would have not done it. 72 probably would have stopped right about here and would not have won whatsoever. And that again is for a different bike. It's not for a V-Rod. The V-Rod runs the same clutch line as a large series of models with Harley Davidson. But on like the Electra Glides and all the bikes they actually sell the extended version for, the travel is not as far as on the V-Rod. So I literally searched for hours trying to find someone that maybe already made it and I wouldn't have to have it custom made, which I had to do with Magnum Sheilding along with my brake line kit. And that will basically answer the question of how much I paid for my Magnum Sheilding clutch line kit. Shipping was a little pricey. I think it was literally like $19 to ship it in a slow motion fashion of like free shipping speed from like eBay or Amazon. So that could have been better, but you know, everybody's got to make their money. They are doing a service that nobody else I knew of actually did. So I believe 78 inches was the line they sent me. That's what I measured physically when it got here versus like the 91 I think I ordered. But thank God they didn't send me a 91 because I would have had like slot coil out to here. It would have been a little ridiculous. My stock line was like 68.5 inches, I believe, 68 or 62. I think we added like overall 12 inches just because my stock line had a nice little bend in it right here for whatever reason. I don't know why, even though the bars are kind of short for rebound or something, even though the clutch line doesn't need rebound for the suspension and whatnot. So I said that I would cover each individual piece of the Ape Hanger kit and let you know what the costs were, because total I'm in like $300, maybe $350 in the full Ape Hanger setup done by myself. I didn't even do a 32-inch extension line kit or extension harness kit for the electrics. I literally used my own wire that I have in stock and soldered them, and then soldered the internal plug-ins from the Molex connectors to the ends, basically just extending it 17 inches, put them back in the Molexes, connected it up, and basically with Kevin soldering it, I'm in like $1.50 on an extension kit that's done without connectors. It's all solder, it's all solid, it's all good to go. Everything works, headlights, start button, the whole nine, everything works. Thank you for watching. The next video I will do is for the brake line kit. I didn't want to do a run-on video for just the clutch line, so the brake line kit, the throttle, cables, ECT. So make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe. This will be a series breaking it down for everybody how to do it if anybody wants to do it. There probably won't be a large following for it, but I'm a small channel, so I like to do as much DIY and tutorial stuff as I can just to keep people informed. Thank you for watching. Notification bell, hit the like button, subscribe. Do it for the people. We will see you next time. Bye.